Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to apply for the credit card of Citigroup Bank. In order to apply for it, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, open up a browser. You could use any web browser whichever is convenient for you. And on the web address bar, type in the link that is www.online.citibank.co.in. It is going to take you to the official field, and here you'll have all of the credit card that is available on the Citibank credit card. So if you wish to go and apply for it, you could just go ahead and read the instructions, information, all of that, and then to apply for it, click the apply now button. As you click the apply now button, it's going to take you to the info section. And here, press the continue button, and if you're sure about applying for it, register your mobile number as well as your PAN card number and a date of birth. If you're sure about it, click the send OTP button. It's going to send an OTP which you have to enter in, and you'll actually begin with the application portal when you're done entering the OTP. Next, you need to go ahead and enter in all of the information, and if you're sure about it, then you'll have successfully applied for the credit card of Citigroup bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.